So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in the early days, when some of the Arabs used to boast, yeah, we believers. What did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tell them? Surah Hujurat, chapter 49, verse 14. Hear what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَقَالَتِ الْأَعْرَابُ آمَنَّا. The Arabs used to say, I'm not saying that, it's the Arabs used to say. Don't go and say Shaikh Shafayat condemning Arabs. Don't be an nincompoop and an idiot. Don't misunderstand. People are quick. That's why we record these khutbahs. We record it on audio and video. You can take it back after and listen to it. Allah is saying, وَقَالَتِ الْأَعْرَابُ. And the Arabs used to say, we have Iman. Some of them. We have Iman. And what Allah says? He says, قُلْ لَمْ تُؤْمِنُوا. Don't say that you have Iman. وَلَكِنْ قُولُوا أَسْلَمْنَا. Say that you only accept Islam. These are the words of Allah, my brothers and sisters. قُلْ لَمْ تُؤْمِنُوا. Don't say you have Iman. Say that you have only accepted Islam. وَلَمَّا يَدْخُلِ الْإِيمَانَ فِي قُلُوبِكُمْ. Iman is yet to enter into your hearts. فِي قُلُوبِكُمْ. That's very deep, That applies to many of us, my brothers and sisters. A lot of us probably come, we pray Jummah. You think, we really have Iman? You're probably saying, yeah, we came here because we have Iman. But that's a little piece. That's because many of us are Muslim. So we do the Muslim thing. Like the Christian goes to church on Sunday and the Jews go to church, synagogue on Saturday. Many people go, but they're still in all the haram things when they leave here. They're not praying the other 5 salah per day. They got money, they don't go to Hajj. Some of them don't fast. They don't give zakat. They don't pray salah. So where is the Iman? 5 pillars? Many of us don't practice one.